our today's discussion is going to be same about that. Are Gen Zs really that lazy and phone addicted as people or mainly millennials have believed about?
Well, I really believe that there should not be the comparison between two generations, the millennials and the Gen Zs, because every generation has got dumb, smart, intelligent and lazy people. According to the global data, that 74 lakh crore was in the profit reduction, means in losses of liquor and alcohol companies, because Gen Zs don't drink. So I don't know that where Gen Zs are lacking.
The price, or I would say profits of alcohol companies are decreased, but the profits of vape companies are increased. Okay, so we have to keep that particular thing in mind, that it's not about alcohol is bad thing, but vape is also a bad thing.
It's not something new to discuss and it's not something new to encounter that every generation criticizes the next one. As I told a few minutes back about boomers, they always found millennials lazy, and now when millennials are at the lead, they find Gen Z's phone addicted. So this has been going for ages now, right? And this has even become a human psychology to criticize the one who is after them, right? And such like that, the same kind of thing we have been observing on the social media these days, that Gen Zs are being trolled. They have made meme upon, and we have got a lot of fun reels seen upon the Gen Zs, sometimes about their style, their outfits, their vocabularies, their habits, their dress sense. Means upon so many things they have been trolled and criticized, right? And they have been made fun of. Though there have been some people who gave such sort of content to social media, which literally uplifted the same sort of content more on the social media. But our today's discussion is going to be same about that. Are Gen Zs really that lazy and phone addicted as people or mainly millennials have believed about, right? So the fun fact about this discussion is that not majority, I guess everybody, even the organizer, we all belong to Gen Z, right? We all are Gen Zs. So that would be a fun factor to discuss. Are Gen Zs really dumb or lazy, or it is just a sort of a question raised to simply suppress the other side, to the other section, right? Make sure this is not about a particular human. This is based upon the behavior, right? Understand this discussion is not about any particular human, right? Or any identity. It is about the behavior of a human, right? So make sure that you don't personally target any particular person or any particular, I'll say, identity, right? But simply talk about the behavior, all right? Whatever your genuine opinion believes under this topic, simply come ahead with that, speak that. If you agree with someone, if you disagree with someone, you're all open to do that. All right, everybody?
Yes.
So let's see what these Gen Zs believe and what real Gen Zs are. So who would like to start first? Mohit. All right. So Mohit, now over to you.
Gen Z. Whenever we talk about Gen Z, so it means we are talking about ourselves. And the question asked by Divya ma'am, that are Gen Z really dumb, or just millennials think that we are dumb? So I am Gen Z, so you might be thinking that I'll support Gen Z only, and you are thinking very right, because I also feel, and that is truth only, that Gen Zs are not dumb. Before that, I want to say that every generation has their own strength, has their own weakness, right? But if millennials are focusing on only on the weaknesses, not on the strength. That's why I'm saying that Gen Zs are not dumb or not lazy, because the things Gen Zs are doing, I don't think that others can do. Maybe they can do, but we are on that age where we can do anything. You might have seen a lot of examples in this world where you have seen that Gen Zs are becoming entrepreneur, right? Gen Zs are using phone, but they are not using phone in a different way. Earlier, they didn't have much resources, but we have a lot of resources, just like AI, technology, and lot more other things. And with the help of this, we are focusing on ourselves. We are improving this world with the help of AI or technology. So I don't think that Gen Zs are dumb.
I vehemently agree with Mohit Bhaiya's points, whatever he mentioned about the Gen Zs, that Gen Zs are not dumb. He's completely agree. I completely agree with him. Because if you see the resources, at a time they had an internet, and now we have a smartphone. Situations were big similar. Even I find that Gen Zs are more revolutionary than millennials. It creates a voice, We can perceive the movie of Three Idiots where Farhan fought for his rights. He took a 12. He was a millennial boy. He was a member. But right now, if you see a Gen Z, so you must find that he is not a person who is not raising a voice. If something goes against of him, it raise a voice. Okay? The best example of it is 20th July of March. Every students was there. They were most of Gen Zs, means they were more revolutionary. And how we got this question? How this question popped up? Just because of our thoughts. And every society believes that, and every generation believes that the next generation will be dumb because they are not able to fulfill their expectations. That's the biggest reason. When they're not fulfill their expectations, they just got the tag, you are a dumb. Millennials, boomers, whatever it is, even the next generation we can call them, they are a dumb because they will not fulfill our expectations.
So, Gen Zs are dumb or lazy? I first want to counter this lazy one. Let's just talk about the evolution period right there. In the evolution period, when we hunt the animals at that time, and from that time to shifting to the agriculture one, we have a lot of time while we are just switching to the agriculture one. And there we start focusing on creating families and start living in the groups, and then we start creating the society because we have enough time. So we can, at that time, we can actually divide the groups because at that time there is no that much survival of food and the security one just because of the agriculture one. But right now, as from the generation gap, or after switching from one generation to another generation, still there is the same thing, the environment one. The environment get changed. In the millennials one, there is no such kind of boom of technology, but right now in this generation it is just like that. The Gen Zs are the first generation who are using the technologies and the smartphone so comfortably, and the same goes with that. When the technology is there to make your work more easy, that at this same time you will get a lot of time, and that's why the previous generation can see the things that when they have a lot of time, so they are lazy that they can't do their work on the time or before that. Even the Plato's concern talks about that there are the generations will come who generally not focused on the remembering the things. They are the one who will return the things and they will save the things. Just right now, you don't remember the phone numbers of everyone right there because it already gets saved. So it doesn't mean that you are not you are bad in remembering the numbers. It's just about the technology remove, or you can say replace that thing. So I guess that saying this that they are just dumb and lazy, I guess that it is not like this. It is more the technology replaced it. Well, I really believe that there should not be the comparison between two generations, the millennials and the Gen Zs, because every generation has got dumb, smart, intelligent and lazy people. So there should not be any comparison like this. But the thing is that next generation will always be better from the previous generation because they will get the better facilities, the better mindset and the better resources. And that is why the millennials, they always target the Gen Zs. The thing is that they target us over the social gatherings, that we avoid the social gathering. And this is true. We try to avoid the social gathering because we do not want to be with the people who does not match with our mindset. They could not take stand against the work culture, which is toxic. So they target us. They were more philosophical and they were into the traditions, customs. They used to respect people without any reason. They were taught something and they were following anything without having any particular reasons. But we Gen Zs ask the reason behind it. Why do we even need to do this thing? Why there is a need of, like, why should we even follow the religion? Why should we believe in caste? But they did not ask these questions. So that is why they target this generation, that there is a gap, and this gap can never be filled because there will always be the gap in the generations, in the previous and the next generation, because of the different experience and the different resources.
Okay, so I think that everyone has said that Gen Zs are better and they're better at counters and they're better at so many things. So yes, I do agree. But why is there a misconception among the millennials that we are dumb? So why has there always been that? why do they always question our beliefs and what we do? So I think that when we were born, there was always a increase in technology. We are always considered that we take news from social media. We are so much dependent on AI, and we always do chat GPT. So yes, I do agree. But is that our issue that we have got the technology, we have got the phones, we have got the social media that we can have our information? So no, I don't think. And taking stand for ourselves is what I have seen the most growth in this social media. In social media and among the people, that this generation can take stand for themselves. They do not rely on the nonsense information that is already been through the society. They can know how to ask questions. They know from whom to gain accountability and whom to question. To question the rituals, the cultures, the customs that are given in the families, that are given to them. So they do not seem to just take it. They question the customs and the rituals. So I think that is a very positive side of Gen Z, that now they can stand for themselves. So I think that being dumb is very subjective. It does not mean the whole generation is dumb. There are many people who with very great IQ. IQ does not depend on generation. It depends on people. And there were dumb people in previous generations too. So it doesn't mean the whole generation, the whole millennials or boomers were dumb. They believed in nonsense thing, in sati pratha, in caste system, in so many things. So that doesn't mean they were right. And if we questioned it, that doesn't mean we are wrong or we are dumb. So that is my take on this opinion.
According to the global data, that 74 lakh crore was in the profit reduction, means in losses of liquor and alcohol companies, because Gen Zs don't drink. So I don't know that where Gen Zs are lacking. Even there is one more controversial statement came from Kunal, that all the ideologies, better ideologies came from millennials, right? So I just want to ask that who are the followers of those ideologies? Here the controversy was not that from where the ideologies are coming, but the controversy or the understanding was on this, that whom they are following. Or like Osho, Acharya Prashant, or many speakers, their followers are Gen Zs only, right? If we see the followers followed by millennials like Anirudh Charya and all, so millennials are listening them. So those who are listening Osho and all are good ideologies. They are Gen Zs only, and they are having a better mindset, right? And here I also want to speak about the career and all, where Gen Zs are not comparing themselves with their cousin, brother, or with their sibling and all, but the millennials had done. They are always comparing themselves from an international world, from the actress, or the person who is succeed, and they are on the same age like them. So their comparison are on the bigger level. That's why they are facing problem in lot more things. And in terms of tradition and all, yeah, they are critically thinking, because they are not only accepting whatever their generation is telling them, right? And here I want to ask one question to you all, if one can answer, that if Gen Zs are already aware about their future betterment, then why lot of the ministries and control superiority are controlled by millennials only, if Gen Z is aware about better future?
Okay, so the question asked by Anudhi, that if they are aware a lot about futures, still why they can't hold the posts which are related to decision making? There are two factors. First, their age is not that much till now that they can make decisions or they can reach to that particular post. Okay, as that is explained by Kapish. Okay. Second, they are good in terms of following, but they are not that mature right now that they can make their own ideologies and then they can spread it. Okay. The price, or I would say profits of alcohol companies are decreased, but the profits of vape companies are increased. Okay, so we have to keep that particular thing in mind, that it's not about alcohol is bad thing, but vape is also a bad thing. Anirudh Acharya is followed by the old tradition people, but Alvesh Yadav, Kerry Minati, Munawar Farooqi, and Samir Raina is followed by the Gen Zs, and they say that dark comedy as a open-mindedness of people in today's era, but that's not. Okay, that's not funny at all. Okay, so we have to see that when we see that, which is very right by Kapish, that when we are seeing that they are following something, it doesn't mean that they want to follow. Okay, it's just like they are influenced. Even the trends like Labubu, they got at a next level that they are buying it blindly. Okay, so we have to see that it is a good generation. It is a lot things they are challenging. But are they challenging because of their own ideologies, or are they challenging because of their, like I would say, influence?
To be honest, that was more fun to be the viewer of this discussion today, because all the information shared by you made some sense somewhere or the other way. Maybe there were some points which were clashing against each other, but that genuinely made some sense. So thank you so much everybody for sharing your opinions so openly and respectfully. I believe it is not about, the question is not about if Gen Zs are dumb or smart, but the real question that arises here, that this perception of Gen Zs that they are dumb, why does it even exist? Right? Where these questions raised up that yes, Gen Zs are dumb or they are smart, right? And I guess that is not just about this generation. This has always been the part of all the switches to the generation. Whenever there were the switches to the generation from the one to the other, these questions were always raised up, right? And I also believe every generation, everything I'll say in this world has got some pros and cons, right? The same goes with Generation Z, Gen Zs. Right, that they are good at something, and I also believe this thing that they may be bad at something. Right? Look, perfection never exists. Perfection is a myth. The change is the only reality. Change is the only constant, and perfection is always a myth. Right? So believing in this fact, I guess we must accept the way we are. I somehow enjoyed some of the discussions we had right then in this scenario right now. And it was quite fun listening to you all, and thank you so much. Also, being being the part of this generation, or whatever, wherever we are Indians, we are children, we are students. Maybe in the future you will opt any profession, right? Wherever you're standing in your life, there is always a responsibility upon your shoulders to fulfill. And when somebody understands those responsibility, that actually makes that person the ideal one. So you being Gen Z should also understand the responsibilities that you hold upon your white shoulders. I guess that is all one needs to make this world better, a better place to live, right? So let's understand the responsibility we have got, and let's fulfill them with the utmost strength and power of ours.